Axolotls are a species of salamander unique to just a few lakes surrounding Mexico City. They are very common in aquariums and relatively inexpensive, although they are nearly extinct in their natural habitat. Introduced fish species and pollution have driven the species to the brink. Axolotls are one of the only species of amphibian that spend their entire life underwater. Most amphibians have a juvenile stage that they spend underwater. The way axolotls live their entire lives underwater is by maintaining traits from this juvenile stage into adulthood. The unique look axolotls have is actually shared with juveniles of other salamander species. Those frills on their head are gills, which would be lost in a normal salamander. The broad tail fin is also one of these features. Axolotls are very unique in this regard. The animals are dark brown in the wild, but they have been bred to have many colors while in captivity. Axolotls are valuable to medical research, both because they are easy to get and because of several other unique features they have. Axolotls can heal from nearly any injury due to the retention of stem cells into adulthood. Axolotls can heal amputations, nerve damage, and even brain damage. This has potential in the medical field, but I don't know what the consequences of it will be. There are some serious ethical questions that I will not go into. Axolotls have also been genetically engineered by scientists for both medical and commercial reasons. This has included engineering axolotls with the genes of jellyfish that allow them to glow. Axolotls are opportunistic carnivores, meaning they will eat anything that is smaller than them. Babies will only eat live prey, however. This makes them much harder to feed in aquariums. Very rarely, axolotls can be forced into a metamorphosis much like that of other amphibians. If fed iodine or thyroid gland of another animal, they will transform into their adult stage, which means losing their gills and developing lungs. But I strongly recommend you avoid this because the axolotl's lifespan can be significantly reduced by this process. Axolotls are very unique and very beautiful creatures. I only have the utmost respect for them.